Whether it's from an animal documentary, Disney's Aladdin, or a striped shirt from the mall, you'll surely have heard of tigers before. These big, formidable creatures are some of the fiercest and scariest predators that the animal kingdom has to offer. Tigers are carnivores who are known to prey on even the largest mammals, like buffaloes and elephants. Their eye-catching fur only serves to make them seem more majestic and powerful. Beyond the orange fur and black stripes, however, there is much more to these big cats than most of us know. Watch on for 30 tiger facts that are sure to satisfy your roaring curiosity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more neat facts to discover the world one click at a time. Number 1. Tigers are the world's largest cats. A female tiger is usually 7 to 9 feet long, with a weight that can range from 130 to 360 pounds. Meanwhile, a male tiger is around 8 to 12 feet long, and can weigh up to 660 pounds. Number 2. Tigers can move at speeds of 65 kilometers per hour. This makes it incredibly easy for a tiger to catch its prey. Even if deers and wild boars are incredibly fast runners as well, they are no match for the tiger when it locks in on them as its target. Number 3. Tigers like to swim. Most cat species actively avoid getting wet. Tigers, however, often cool off in streams and pools. After a successful hunt, a tiger will most likely bathe in water. Number 4. People believe that tigers have eyes on the back of their ears. You'll notice that tigers have white spots behind their ears. This gives the illusion of another pair of eyes, and some believe that they function as extra eyes that help them see behind them. Number 5. Tigers prefer hunting alone. They are solitary hunters, so you won't find tigers hunting in groups. Tigers will often stalk their prey before pouncing, so it is far more ideal for them to hunt alone. Number 6. Tigers also feed on bears. Tigers often feed on deer, cattle, and wild boars, but they are not afraid to go for larger game too. The habitats of bears and tigers often overlap, so a tiger may take on a bear in order to assert their territory. Number 7. Tigers can't taste sweet food. Like us, tigers have taste buds. However, they differ from us because their taste buds can't recognize sweet food. In fact, other cat species are like this as well. A tiger and your pet cat do not and will never have a sweet tooth. Number 8. A tiger will share its kill with other tigers. Even if tigers prefer hunting alone, this doesn't mean that they'll eat alone too. Lions and tigers are opposites in this way, because lions would never share their food. Meanwhile, tigers will often share food with other tigers. They'll even take turns to eat their kill. Number 9. Adult tigers can eat 88 pounds of meat in one sitting. Tigers aren't the largest cat species for nothing. They are known for their huge appetites. When they get full with enough food left, they'll sometimes bury their leftovers in order to save it for later. Number 10. Tigers kill their prey through blood loss and strangulation. Tigers are apex predators, so they are some of the best hunters in the wild. To catch their prey, a tiger will latch onto the animal's neck in order to puncture one of its major arteries. That way the prey dies within seconds from blood loss. If this doesn't do the trick, the tiger continues to hold on with their sharp fangs until they suffocate. Number 11. Tigers can't purr. You'll never hear a tiger purr like your house cat does. Instead, they'll close their eyes whenever they feel content or safe. Number 12. You can hear a tiger's roar from 3 kilometers away. Even if a tiger can't purr, they can certainly roar. In fact, a tiger's roar is so intimidating that sometimes animals will end up paralyzed in fear just from hearing it. Number 13. Tigers improve their roar by vocalizing. Tigers will practice their roar in order to ensure that it is as loud and as low as possible. That way they can better scare prey and other nearby predators. Some of their vocalization routines include chuffing, roaring, hissing, moaning, and growling. Number 14. Tigers have the ability to mimic other animal sounds. Tigers are incredibly smart hunters who know how to strategize. Often they'll imitate the call of other animals in order to fool them into approaching. Number 15. Each tiger stripe pattern is unique. Tigers are known for their striped fur. While the orange and black fur has been characteristic of tigers, You won't find two tigers that share the exact same stripes. Each fur pattern is unique, just like our fingerprints. Number 16. Female tigers usually give birth to blind cubs. Born blind, baby tigers are quite helpless. It takes around 2 to 3 years for cubs to be completely independent. Until then, tiger moms will look after them closely. Number 17. Adult male tigers eat blind cubs. Sometimes, male tigers can get quite aggressive towards their young. This is because female tigers will often devote all their attention to their cubs. In extreme cases, male tigers will resort to eating their blind cubs just so the female tiger will be available to mate with them again. Number 18. A tiger's punch can kill. A tiger doesn't just have sharp fangs. Their paws are also incredibly powerful. In fact, they are so powerful that a single strike could break so many of your bones you end up dying. Talk about a one-hit KO. Number 19. Tigers like to sleep a lot. If you have a cat for a pet, you'll notice just how much they like to sleep and laze around. This does not differ from tigers. In fact, a tiger can sleep around 18 hours straight. Number 20. Tigers are night owls. Tigers are nocturnal creatures, so they sleep in the morning and stay awake the entire night. The darkness of the night does little to impede their hunting abilities, since tigers have night vision. A tiger's eyes can actually see 6 times better than a normal human. Aside from hunting at night, tigers will also patrol their territory to ensure that no one is trespassing. Number 21. Crossbreeding between a tiger and other wildcats is possible. Sometimes, tigers will mate with other cat species like lions. The offspring of a male tiger and a female lion is called tigon. Meanwhile, the offspring of a male lion and a female tiger is called liger. There are plenty more wildcat hybrids that are yet to be discovered out there. Number 22. Tiger crossbreeding is banned in Taiwan. In countries like China, Iran, Argentina, and the USA, tiger crossbreeding is a regular business. However, Taiwan prohibits this line of business. This is to protect and preserve tigers and other species. Number 23. Tiger saliva is a natural wound antiseptic. Even if tigers are talented hunters, they won't always come out of it unscathed. When this happens, tigers will lick their open wounds. Their saliva contains a special protein that prevents infections and quickens their recovery. Number 24. Tigers are the most reserved wildcat species. They don't cry out randomly like other cat species do. They'll only roar when trying to communicate with other tigers, or when they are trying to assert their dominance over their territory. Number 25. A tiger's pee smells like buttered popcorn. It might be a little hard to believe, but a tiger's pee will most likely smell familiar to you if you're a fan of buttered popcorn. In order to mark their territory, tigers will use their urine and feces. The smell is meant to ward off other tigers or species from trespassing into their space. Number 26. A tiger's penis never gets erect. Instead, tigers have barbed penises which allow them to lock onto female tigers during mating. This ensures that their sperm is successfully ejaculated into their female partner's reproductive organ. Number 27. India is the world's tiger capital. Bengal tigers seem to be abundant along Bangladesh and India's borders. In fact, an annual average of 100 people are recorded to be killed by this tiger species there. Number 28. Tigers have killed more people than leopards and lions combined. It has been recorded that over 100,000 people have been killed by tigers in the 19th century. This doesn't mean that tigers go out of their way to harm humans. In fact, tigers are known to avoid humans unless they are provoked. Number 29. Tigers are symbolic creatures. In Asia, some groups consider the tiger to be a symbol of knowledge, mystery, and great power. Some of them have even chosen tigers as their land's rulers. Number 30. More tigers are held in captivity than those in the wild. In the US, there are around 5,000 to 10,000 caged tigers. On the other hand, only 3,000 tigers remain free in the wild. Despite being an apex predator in the wild, tigers aren't invincible to human greed. Today, tiger poaching persists. Plenty of states have declared this practice illegal, and activist groups also work hard to preserve and protect these felines. Tigers are incredibly important to the ecosystem. Without them, the food chain is likely to fall apart. Just as these tigers protect our forests, we too should protect their homes. That way, nature's balance doesn't tip over, and tigers can live their life peacefully in the wild. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more facts videos.